Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, let us look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame. Let us mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, March 27th, we don't have any high impacting news planned on Monday, which means that we can expect the current trend to continue. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, we have noticed a price action to form a very strong bearish candle. And when we look at this candle also, there is not much shadows over here, which shows the strength of the bearishness in weekly time frame. So we can expect the further fall on the bearish side in weekly time frame. And looking at the past price action, this level of 1800 had acted as a resistance levels in the past. So we can expect this level to act as a support level. But still, looking at the candlestick formation, we can expect it to breach this support level also. So this support level may not be respected that much. And again, looking at the past price action, I have drawn a trend line or a support line, where in the past price action, we have noticed a price action to respect this support line. So if the bearish trend breaks the support level of 1800 and falls further, we can expect it to take support on this trend line. This is our last hope for the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. As usual, I have drawn a bearish channel pattern connecting the highs of the past price action and lows of the past price action. And also we could notice that currently the price action has taken support on the midline of this bearish channel pattern. And in the past price action, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side whenever it tests this support line of the bearish channel pattern on the bullish side. And for now also we have noticed a price action to test this support line, and we are noticing a little bit of green candle to be formed in 4 hours time frame. But still, as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame, even if it bounces back on the bullish side retracement. And again, if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1800. And if this support is broken, we can expect it to take support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line. So since the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, whenever the price action tests this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, I would recommend you to enter into new bearish side trade rather than taking trades against the current trend. For this also, if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, you have to wait for the price action to form 1 or 2 candle to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation. Then only you have to enter into the bearish side trade. Wait for the confirmation before entering into the directional trade. I have taken the Fibonacci levels to make it easier for you to understand the current trend of the price action and where the supports are for the current price action. And we have noticed the price action to break the support level of 0.5% level, which was around 1843, and also the level of 0.186 level, which was around 1831. And currently it has clearly broken the support level of 0.786 level, which was around 1815, which shows the strength of the current bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1800 to 1795, which is a strong support zone based on the past price action. This level had acted as a resistance level in the past, and we can expect it to act as a support level for the current price action. But once the support level is broken, we can expect this price action to start, which means that further fall on the bearish side retracement in the current price action. And next level of support is going to be around 1769, where it will be meeting with the trend of the weekly time frame. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1736. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1816, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1832, 1843, 1854 and 1868. And the levels between 1843 to 1816 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action. It has to break this resistance zone if it wants to make a bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Or in the other words, you can enter into the bullish side trade once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1843. Let us look at the price action in hourly time. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, as explained in the 4 hours time frame, currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the midline of this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, it is still trading in a bearish trend. So even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line from the hourly time frame, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement. Again, we have the bearish channel pattern resistance line, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. And if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take support around the support zone between 1800 to 1795. And if the support zone is broken, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. So currently the price action in hourly time frame is trading between the support level of 1808 and resistance level of 1812. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1808 on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1812. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1815, 1818, 1820, 1822, 1824, 1828 and 1832. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1808 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1803, 1800, 1795, 1788 and 1769. And for now, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. So don't take any positions against the current trend. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, I've drawn a trend line or a support line where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement when it tests this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame. And currently also we are noticing the price action to test this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, we can expect it to respect this hourly time frame trend line or the resistance line and to continue with bearish trend. And even if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, which it has to break in order to make a further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. And the overall trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend for now. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1812 and support level of 1808. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1812, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1816, 1818, 1820, 1822, 1824 and 1827. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1808, next level of support is going to be around 1803 and 1800. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, we are noticing it to consolidate between the support line from the 30 minutes time frame and the resistance line from the 15 minutes time frame. Wait for it to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to take a directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, breaking the support level of 1809, next level of support is going to be around 1807, 1805, 1802 and 1800. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1812 and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1815, 1820 and 1825. And currently the price action is under a consolidation within this support and resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame and 15 minutes time frame. But overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend in 15 minutes time frame also. We can expect a little bit of retracement. It is not a trend reversal. It will be a retracement to gather enough liquidity to fall further on the bearish side. That's all analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.